Sharing posting duties across a team without confusion can seem like a logistical nightmare, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll show you how to get it done smoothly. By the end, you'll know the key steps to divide responsibilities, avoid mix-ups, and keep your content flowing consistently. First, start by setting clear roles for each team member. Identify who's responsible for specific platforms, types of posts, or even content types. This ensures that no one is left wondering who should be posting what and when. Next, create a shared content calendar. This is a game changer. A shared calendar allows everyone to see what's coming up, when they need to post, and what content is being published across all channels. The software we'll be using today integrates this feature seamlessly, and it's critical for keeping everything on track. Now, let's talk about communication. You need to have regular check-ins with your team. Whether it's a weekly meeting or a shared chat thread, make sure everyone is aligned on upcoming posts. This helps avoid last-minute confusion and ensures everyone knows what's going out, when, and on what platform. Another crucial tip is using a content management tool. A tool where your team can easily collaborate and see who's working on what. This allows you to assign posts, add notes, and track progress, all in one place. This will keep everyone on the same page and prevent overlapping work. Automation can also save a lot of headaches. With the software we'll be using today, you can schedule posts in advance. This means you can plan out posts for the week or month, and your team will only need to focus on creating the content, not manually posting every day. Tracking performance is another key to staying on top of things. By reviewing engagement metrics together, you can identify what's working and adjust accordingly. This helps your team focus on what's performing well and avoid duplication or confusion. Here's a quick recap of the key points. 1. Assign clear roles to each team member to avoid overlap. 2. Use a shared content calendar to keep everything organized. 3. Keep communication strong with regular check-ins. 4. Use a content management tool to track progress. 5. Automate your posts to save time and prevent mistakes. 6. Analyze performance regularly to optimize your strategy. The key takeaway from this video is simple. Clear roles, strong communication, and the right tools will make sharing posting duties across your team seamless and efficient. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software we use today, I've got an exclusive free trial just for you. The link is in the description below. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.